Good morning, myself Shweta Bhatt, and this is day 5 of this 10 days faculty development program where I have to complete my assignment 5, in which I have to create one YouTube channel and post a small video consisting of one lecture which I can post there on my YouTube channel. So I've created this small PPT which I'll be describing, which I will be talking about my research area in which. So moving to the first slide of this PPT, which shows the title of my research area, a study of leadership self-efficacy in private and public sector banks, with special reference to Gorakhpur division, as Gorakhpur is my hometown. So moving to the introduction of this topic, that what does self-efficacy means. The concept which was in the very beginning introduced by Albert Bandura, self-efficacy defines as the capability, as the belief of one person in himself, how he can organize and execute the courses of actions during like managing anything or during achieving any task. So that is all mentioned in this slide. Moving to the next slide, the objective which I have chosen for my study consists of that what are the factors in the process involved in the formation of leadership self-efficacy perception. So this is the first objective which I have selected for my study. Secondly, I'll be talking about how leadership self-efficacy and work culture influences the work related performance and has leadership effectiveness. In this objective, I will try to prove out how a person's an official and superior's effectiveness of leadership has an impact of work culture of a particular organization, and how this work culture as well as the leadership self-efficacy of an individual superior officials in the organization results into the work performance among the subordinates in the organization. This shows that how effective their leadership style is. Thirdly, I'll be talking about third objective of my research study is to identify that what leadership self-efficacy degree is, whether high in private sector banks or public sector banks. Like I'll be talking about key senior officials in the public sector bank are more impactful or in private sector bank. Fourth objective what I've selected for my study is to study the existence of relationship between the work culture dimensions and leadership self-efficacy. No doubt a superior applies so many rules and regulation, but it is very much dependent upon the work culture of that particular organization. If as of I'm talking about banking sector in my research area, so most of the rules and regulations of banking sectors are regulated by RBI. So if a senior official wants also, he cannot apply many of the rules and regulation which he wants. That is why it is very much dependent कि leadership self efficacy की effectiveness ज़्यादा कहाँ होगी, किस टाइप के ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में होगी, जहाँ पे वर्क कल्चर किस तरीके का है, लीनियंट है, लिबरल है और बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट है. Now coming to the hypothesis of my this research area, I've taken three hypotheses. One is a null hypothesis, that null hypothesis consists of there is no significant difference between public sector bank and private sector banks in terms of leadership efficacy. Secondly, hypothesis 1 what I've selected is there is significant difference between the public sector bank and private sector bank in terms of leadership efficacy. And the last hypothesis what I've selected for my study is that high degree of leadership self-efficacy leads to higher performance. Like I've made a statement, if leadership self-efficacy among the senior officials in an organization is high, no doubt they will ultimately lead to the high degree of performance in the organization. Now this was like topic selected, concept, what objectives I have taken for my research area, and hypothesis what I have designed. Now moving to next slide, in order to conclude, in order to study my these hypothesis and objective, what tools, what research methodology I have used is, what statistical tools I have used for data analysis is, like I have made questionnaire By questionnaire, I've done the pilot study of senior officials in the banking sector of private as well as public sector banks. Second sort of questionnaire was developed, which consists of some 18 questions and which was consisting of Likert scale. Like subordinates were asked few questions where they had to rate the question on Likert scale that was mentioned from 1 to 5. Now, apart from that, after collecting the questionnaire data through questionnaire, I used SPSS software, and through SPSS I have applied factor analysis in order to analyze the factor loading of each and every question in my study. Apart from that, comparison, demographic comparison has been made through t-test. Correlation was established between different dimensions, work culture dimensions and leadership self-efficacy dimensions, what I'll be talking about later in the slides. And thirdly, I have applied regression analysis. Now moving on to the next slide, I'll talk about the first whole of my research area is divided into basically 4 parts. First section consists of demographic comparisons of public and private sector banks, like what age group is having more leadership efficacy, what experience level is having more efficacy, self-efficacy in the banking sector, like what payment, what kind of officials are having more efficacy in the organization. Like different things have been compared as a demographic characteristic. Second section consists of identifying the attributes of work culture and the variables. Like I told you earlier that leadership efficacy is very much dependent upon what kind of work culture is existing in the organization. So that will decide कि superior and subordinate relationship कैसा होगा in the organization. Now this section also discusses the dimensions of the work culture and leadership efficacy extracted by factor analysis. Moving on to the third section of my research analysis, where I'll be talking about the work culture dimensions and leadership efficacy dimensions between the two groups based on characteristics of employee respondents and bank characteristics. Now moving on to the last section of my research is where I'll be establishing correlation between the determinants of the leadership self-efficacy and work culture dimension, as I told you earlier also in the previous slide. Now moving on to the next slide, consists of a slide which shows correlation between the leadership self-efficacy dimensions and work culture dimensions. Now here in this slide you can see like leadership self-efficacy dimensions I've identified through my questionnaire. What 5 factors are there which defines high or low leadership self-efficacy, like leaders who are giving you more participative environment, leaders who are giving you fair and empathetic management, leaders who are more considerate towards your any kind of words, like these are the variables identified. Apart from that, I have identified work culture, like in an organization what kind of work cultures prevail. Generally we see disciplined enterprising है कि नहीं environment. Apart from that, employees are willing to remain in that organization or not, whether they have the affinity with the organization or not. Employees are feeling, subordinates are feeling empowered there. What are the performance norms, etc. So these were some 6 factors which I identified as the work culture dimensions. Now I have established the correlation among these variables by applying correlation analysis by SPSS. Now the column which is showing positive value with double star shows that considerate and affinity with the organization. If the leaders are considerate and employees are having affinity with the organization, this will result into high leadership self-efficacy. Positive double star, positive correlation means leadership efficacy is high. Negative double star means negative correlation, and such type of factors will not result into high leadership efficacy. So in detail we will look at to later on. Now moving on to the next slide, this lists about the dependent and independent variable, which we have already discussed in this. Now moving on to the next slide, like hypothesis testing and result, what I have observed. First hypothesis was rejected, that there is no significant difference between public sector bank and private sector bank. No, there is a difference. What we have observed in hypothesis 2, that accepted on the basis of paired sample t-test, that there is leadership self-efficacy is more effective in public sector banks. Like this hypothesis was proved on the basis of paired sample t-test and ANOVA. Like these are the results.